This factory processes cauliflower on a scale most people can't imagine. Every day starts here, in the fields.
Only the best cauliflower moves forward.
Harvesting happens fast at this scale. Next stop, the factory. From soil to steel. This is where tons are handled daily.
There's no pause here.
Processing begins immediately. First level sorting is critical.
This is mass processing.
Field debris is removed first. A powerful first wash. Every head gets cleaned. Safety comes first. Clean and ready. Drying happens instantly. Next, precision cutting. Nothing is wasted.
Now it's factory perfect.
Now the real processing begins. Every cut must be perfect. Freshness preserved at every step. Size matters in mass production.
Human eyes still matter.
Cold shock preserves crunch. Moisture control is critical. Technology never blinks. Heat applied with precision. This step defines shelf life. From hot to cold in seconds.
Quality control never stops.
Precision equals profit.
Now it's ready for packing.
Thousands packed every hour. Air itself is engineered. Every pack is traceable.
Only flawless packs pass.
Automation at full scale.
Ready for nationwide distribution.
Before shipping, every pack is scanned to ensure perfect weight and quality. Each unit is coded for full traceability, from farm to shelf.
Cold chain handling begins immediately to lock in freshness.
Thousands of units are stored under precise cold conditions.
Pallets are wrapped securely for long-distance transport. Dozens of trucks are loaded every hour. From here, the produce travels nationwide.
This factory feeds millions every single day.
Distribution centers route products to stores efficiently.
Fresh produce reaches retailers without delay.
Customers see the final result on store shelves. This is the moment the journey comes full circle. Inside the factory, production never stops. Day and night, the process continues. Strict hygiene keeps every batch safe.
Data ensures consistency at massive scale.
Freshness is engineered, not accidental. From farm to fork, every step is controlled. This is how vegetables feed the world.
Subscribe to see how everyday foods are made at massive scale.